Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to make money online through Ford Accessories Affiliate Program. Ford Accessories Affiliate Program. I registered for this program last year and I'm making so much out of it. I want to encourage you to join Ford Accessories Affiliate Program. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's product. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy. They promote that product and earn a piece of the profit from each sales they make. The sale are tracked via affiliate link from one website to another. The affiliate can be either an individual or a company that markets the seller's product in an appealing way to potential customers. Affiliate promotes or persuade or convince the customers to purchase the product. If the customer does end up buying the product, the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. The affiliate will market the product and services to the consumers through the necessary channel. It can be in social media, a blog, or a YouTube video. If the consumer deemed the product beneficial to them, they will follow the affiliate link and check out on the merchandise or merchant website. If the customer does purchase the item, then the affiliate receives a portion of the revenue made. How the affiliate programs pay. How the Ford affiliate marketing or program pays. Ford affiliate marketers make less than $10,000 to $64,000 a year. Ford Motor Company slogan: Build Ford Tough. There are a lot of affiliate programs on Ford. You have the Ford Merchandise Store Affiliate Program. It makes it simple for fans of the automotive manufacturers to buy a branded goods via merchandise.ford.com. You buy the goods via merchandise.ford.com. It will drive you into a lucrative partnership with the Ford accessories. There are other Ford. So there are types of Ford affiliate marketing. You have the Ford Merchandise Store affiliate marketing. It makes it simple for the fan of automotive manufacturer to buy branded goods via merchandise.ford.com. Drives into a lucrative partnership with the Ford accessories. There's another Ford affiliate program called Ford Accessories Affiliate Programs. You will discover Ford parts designed to integrate with your vehicle. You have to go to accessories.ford.com. When you reach accessories.ford.com, update your website for search engine by adding Ford Accessories affiliate link to your automotive content. There are others Ford affiliate programs. which is Brighton Ford. www.brightonford.com. Join our brand affiliate program. Earn amazing commission on the trusted brand. There's another Ford affiliate program that I'm going to mention now, which is flexoffers.com. Ford accessories affiliate program. As I already said, the Ford accessories affiliate program connects you to an online merchant for license onto accessories. That's auto accessories and parts for Ford cars. I take that again. flexoffers.com. Ford accessory affiliate program. The Ford accessories affiliate program connects you to an online merchant for licensed auto accessories and parts for Ford cars. The affiliate program is offered to cars and trucks. You earn commission on sales from merchandise.ford.com. Earn commission also from Little Speed Star. Little Speed Stars, the model kits and collectible die-cast cars for kids of all ages. These Little Speed Stars, Ford manufactured cars for kids of all ages. So you can earn commission from sales of these cars, and you like it, you enjoy it. Ford accessories will help you elevate your marketing impact, competitive commission, and a guide of marketing tools. Ford accessories will also build your affiliate marketing strategy by partnering with Ford accessories, a company that symbolizes the pinnacle of automotive perfection. How do you join the Ford affiliate program? How do you sign up? Go to Google, then type Ford affiliate program. Go to sign up. You register with your email address, password, your personal information, your bank account, your country, your phone number. That is how I register with Ford affiliate programs. In my own case, I register with Ford accessories affiliate program, in which through my link I can order parts for people, for customers, and I'm going to earn commission. The commission is nice. You will like it at it. You will like it. You can earn so much from Ford accessories affiliate program. So I want everybody, if you want to make money online, just go to Google, as I said, sign up. You will like it. As they are buying, you are getting your commission. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Don't just watch and go. I've done a lot of things in my channel. It's a catering channel, farming channel, housekeeping, how to make money. I'm entering how to make money online now. So it's a channel that is full of life. Don't just watch and go, watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to bring the next one, and it will be appealing and you will like it. I'm still going to take on how to make money online. There are a lot of ways of making money online. So I'm going to introduce it, and if you follow my instruction, you will get it right, because I'm getting it right through Ford Accessories Affiliate Marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.